Yay! Oh my god, my camera's working. I don't know what was wrong with it. It would not focus on my face. Is it focused or are my eyes just blurry? Yeah, it's focused. Slay!
Hey, what up, girl?
Good evening, everyone. This is so depressing. What's the time? Oh, it is 7. Okay. Yeah, so it's 7. I just got home from work. I was on a 10-6 today. I just got home and I put my hair in a ponytail, and now I kind of wish I had it in a ponytail all evening. Anyway, I'm getting all evening, all day. I'm getting away from the topic of the conversation, which is tonight I'm just going to be doing an updated nightly routine, mainly just because I don't really know what else to film. I'm not doing anything at the moment. Sorry about it. But I have changed a few things recently. I'm not going to be washing my hair today because I think I'm going to do it in a slick... I might even do it in a slick back pony. It looks kind of cute. Not me feeling myself. But yeah, I've sort of changed a few things in my nighttime routine. So I'm just going to show you that. I just want to have a chat with you guys first. But like I haven't had a chit chat. Let's go make a drink. I might have a cup of tea. Yeah, so I haven't had a chit chat with you guys in a while. I also don't know where my stepdad is. Or the dogs. So it's just me, myself, and I. Yeah, I'm fancying a cup of tea. I'm going to put you on the microwave. You're gonna have to sit there. Yeah, so last time I spoke to you guys, I was in Greece. Obviously got back from Greece, as you saw. But just a few updates on me recently. Really in my reading era. I went through 5 books on that holiday. I don't know if I said in the video, because I didn't have any sorry, it's just a weird shot. Hold on. I didn't have any data roaming on my phone, so I didn't have any Wi-Fi, and the hotel didn't have any Wi-Fi, which was fun and fresh. So I was just reading all the time, and I read some really good books. I read Ends With Us, It Starts With Us, Ugly Love. I was crying on the beach. That's not the name of the book. I was just crying on the beach. Another one called The Guest List, which was really dark and a crime one, and then Verity, again, dark. What the F? They were really good. And then since then, I've read 2 more books since I've got home. So I read Icebreaker, That's Good If You Know You Know, and Too Late by Colleen Hoover, which was also really good. So yeah, recently been reading. If anyone's got any book recommendations, leave them down below. What else have I been doing? I recently joined a company to start a course on becoming an independent travel agent, which I'm very excited for. You know me, I love traveling, get me out of this godforsaken country. I just recently booked myself another weekend trip to Prague in November by myself, because I don't think I've spoken about this yet, but I just recently booked my gap year. I didn't go to uni and I also work full time, but I am taking 6 months off. I booked sort of traveling Southeast Asia, so I'm doing Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, Laos, flying down to Bali, Australia for 2 months, and then Fiji. So I'm really excited about that. And then I'm going to Costa Rica for my birthday by myself. So I'm sort of trying to book little trips here and there where I can and where I can afford to sort of get myself in the solo traveling space. And I feel like Prague is a good start because it's not ages away. The flight's literally 2 hours, I think. And then obviously Costa Rica. I'm gonna be with a group in Costa Rica anyway, but that's whatever. So yeah, love a bit of travel. So hopefully when I've got that up and running, I can sort of talk to you guys a little bit more about it. But that is sort of in the cards at the moment. I'm really bored of my hair. I've only literally recently just gone blonde, but do I want to go ginger? Obviously. I really want to go, okay, so I was talking to my friend Missy, who I saw recently, and I said I either want to go ginger, cut myself a full fringe, not cut myself, I'd obviously let my hairdresser do it because otherwise she'd kill me, or go bald. Yeah, anyway, I feel like I need to do something. I've just inquired, I don't know why I'm just telling you guys everything. If you find this video really boring, I don't care. I've just inquired about getting 3 new tattoos, and I feel like I'm going through, I don't even feel like I'm in an identity crisis. I don't do this much stuff when I'm in an identity crisis. I just feel like I need to do something. My outlet for when I'm stressed is changing things about myself. So I will be dyeing my hair and I will be getting loads of tattoos, and that's my business. So I'm just gonna make my cup of tea, and then, do I have a bath or a shower? Don't know. I always wanna have a bath, but then when I'm actually sat in the bath, I get really bored. I'll see, I don't know, we'll figure it out. I'll see you later. you saw, I used my roche posay in the shower. I started getting into washing my face in the shower just because, I don't know, it makes me feel cleaner, it makes me feel like I've cleaned it better than I probably have. I do double cleanse, so I use my roche posay and then I use my simple moisturising facial wash. I like this one, the roche posay can make my skin feel a bit dry, so I like to do that one first, where I feel like I'm really cleaning, like mainly just the makeup off, and then this one I feel like actually cleans my skin. If that makes sense? Probably doesn't, but it makes sense in my head. I can feel I've got a spot coming on my chin, I can feel it. I can feel it coming. But I'm not going to pick it. That's another thing I'm trying to do, not pick my spots, which I've never been able to not do, so that's going to be a tricky one. But I make sure I get it all on my forehead, and my hairline, my eyebrows. No one wants spots in their eyebrows. I try and wash my face for 60 seconds as well, because I heard skincare by Hiram, so it's supposed to wash it for 60 seconds. Sometimes I do my neck, sometimes I don't. Today I don't really feel like doing my neck, so I'm not going to. Period. Next thing now. Next I use my roche posay, not sponsored, bloody wish it was. Toner. Sometimes, again, you have to catch me on the right wind. Sometimes I use my hands, I just pour it in my hands and like that. Sometimes I use a cotton pad. Today's a cotton pad sort of day. This one again is quite strong, so I feel like I'm just pouring straight alcohol on my face, which feels really good because it feels like it's really cleaning my face. I know toner doesn't cleanse, but I feel like it does, so I like to stick with that narrative. Can't wait to get my fake eyelashes taken off. Of an evening, I'll use my Paula's Choice. She's running low. This is the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. I don't use this nearly as much as I should. I don't know why, maybe it's because it's small. I feel like I can't use it because then it'll run out. Such an odd way of thinking, but there we go. I just pour it in my hand and I pour it on my chin and my forehead, and I bring the excess to like my nose if I'm feeling so inclined, which typically I am. And then I try and make sure that that's like not rubbed in, but like patted in. Do you know what I mean? And then I can go in with the rest of my, I was gonna say ingredients, what's the word? Steps, skincare, product. I just add a bit of that Paula's Choice. Oh yeah, then I got this from TK Maxx. Valgene Labs Overnight Repair Retinol and Blue Tansy. Don't ask me what Blue Tansy is, I don't know. But I'm swayed by nice colours, so I bought it. I am convinced this is what's making my skin bad though, but I continue to use it because I'm a creature of habit. Moisturiser. I'm a simple girl with a simple set of film. Also, I did my hoop earrings today. I wore little studs. That's really not like me. I always wear hoops. Always. And I wore studs today. I kind of like it. You're on air.
Hi. We are having salmon with salad and vegetable.
We're back. This is dinner. Yeah.
Nice healthy dinner.
I'll say. We're healthy queens. I sort of want some like sauce on my salmon, but I don't really. We haven't really got anything. Like a cheese sauce would be nice.
Next time we go shopping, we gotta get some cheese sauce.
What, like granules?
Yes. We gotta cheat. Yes.
What can I have on it?
You can have a bit of lemon. Sprinkle a bit of that.
Oh, go on then. I love a bit of lemon. Will red pesto on it be a bit gross?
No. Try it. Try a bit on the side. On the side. On the side.
Oh, far out. hair is done. I look like a glazed donut. I look like I'm in an advert for baby oil. Where's my TV remote? So, ordinarily, recently of an evening, I'd sit down and read my book. However, recently, the last After film came out. And I haven't watched it yet. So, I will be watching that now. I've got, what have I got? I've got myself a squash. Stay hydrated, always. After everything. Hey guys again. I just watched the After film and it was really bad. It was really boring, nothing really happened. So 0 out of 10 for that. And now I've just got Mr. Lee on FaceTime. No, show face. Slay. So I'm just gonna close the video off there. Focus on me now. Thank you. I'm just gonna close the video off there. This was my get unready with me. Obviously love you guys, you know the drill. Do you want to say something? Any sage words?
Say bye.
Bye.
Subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at GX71_.
No. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow me, Ella Hatfield, not Lee. Anyway, love you all. Bye. Night night.
Bye.